The cornea looks fine. I think it's more just like probably have a little bacterial infection there.
No. Tonight, I'm hoping you're not going to get fever. Because last night, you have fever, Mom didn't get sleep. I was waking up every hour. Because she kept crying and kept asking for water. She said, what's your mom? He wants his daddy. I want daddy to take care of me. He said that. And I said, Auntie and I can feel this. I said, but I want my daddy. I want daddy to carry me. I want my daddy. It's not. Why are you crying? You are. You miss that? You miss that? I know you do. I'm sick, Mom. I'm sick.
The cornea looks fine. I think it's more just like probably have a little bacterial infection there.
Okay.
Yeah, because of the drainage, but like I said, it can turn the eye really red. It looks irritated. But again, with the yellowish drainage and all that, I would say let's get you on some ointment for the eye to help with that. Okay?
Okay. But I don't know though if it was yellow. But I know there's drainage.
Yes.
Okay.
Usually, most people can't tell.
Okay.
It could be clear too, clear. But again, if you're waking up with crusted eyes, yeah, that's usually what it is.
Jump.
This one first.
He can jump in.
Oh, that's a big airplane. Nice. Okay, can you color this one? This is nice homework.
But that is up today.
Okay, color the hug.
Hide it for me.
Nice.
Look, I doesn't make it done, you guys.
Show,
Look.
show.